Alright, so I'm all about doing things with the kids. I already did my editing earlier because I woke up early. I was supposed to get up at 4, but I made it to 5 this morning. Did some editing. I was like, I'm going to do some things to the kids that I don't have to pay for. So I'm packing our snacks, packing our juice, and all of that. We're just going to take a walk to the park. And yeah, I think that's just going to be our event today. I'm going to get their bikes. It's early. I'm going early before the sun starts beat and burn us up. So that's what we're gonna get ready to do today. All right, so time to head out to the park, and then I'm gonna try and get the SUPERGOOP dupe from Krogers because I need some sunscreen that's not the Neutrogena one because it's gonna give me a white cast. So I need some sunscreen. So let's do that. So since they are home, I am going for my morning walk as per usual. Right, I'm still doing that, but I brought their bicycles. You can ride.
Okay, which way?
Let's start with left.
Okay, let's go left, Autumn.
Bicycle on the tires them need like a ear night, man. But yeah, just so I can still get my morning walk in, I was like, okay, put them bicycle in the trunk since you know the place have like a trail. Put them bicycle in the trunk, make them ride, and then I'll walk behind them. And it kind of gave me a little motivation to do like a power walk because I'm right, so I have to walk fast to catch up to them. That's one. The other one is somewhere all the way up there. Come, AJ, wait for me. It's like all the way down there. Also, a quick tip, because you know the summer is very hot. I don't know if I mentioned this earlier, but I was like, let me come early because you know the morning is either the morning is gonna be cooler or the afternoon. But about the afternoon because I know it would be like a lot of people out here, which isn't bad because they would have people to play it. But I just didn't want to do that today. Plus they have taekwondo later, so I was like, let me just come early where it's a bit cooler. The sun's still out, you know, but it's a bit cooler. See the sun there peeking. The sun's still out, but it's like a bit cooler than what it would originally be if I came at like 12, you know, them time that the sun a bit hotter at that point in time. And then I already don't have the proper sunscreen, so I was like, nah, let me come a little bit earlier when it's a bit cooler. Alright, almost done. The sun actually I come out now, so it's time for the playground for them. And then if it was another day, I'd probably hit the pool. But I feel like if I take them to the pool so early, I'm not got nobody else to play because I'm gonna come to me at this early and got a pool. So I'm just gonna take them home. This is one is 50, one is 80. I think this is for the body. I heard this one was good. I don't know. Radiant Island Botanicals. Is it bad? I hope not, because I'm gonna try this one as well, but I hope it's not. I hope it's good. This was recommended. So I'm getting all these sunscreens for the week because we're gonna be outside and I need to protect my skin. Okay, so we have to keep it out so you can pay for it. Don't put it inside. We have to keep it out so you can pay for it. Day. My son got a gift card from his teacher for in the school year, and now he wants a skateboard. So I'm gonna make it up and get him a skateboard with his gift card so he can remember that's what his teacher got for him. Walmart did it again. With the sale on the pickleball items. Should I have someone come? Might come if I'm get some more balls. I don't know where I left off, but I'm now home. Of course, you can hear.
Not me.
I don't know where I left off, but I'm home and I'm filling out two registration paperwork. I was like, let me get that sorted away from now. Call him and see if we can bring it in and sort that out from now.
Pokemon, return.
Oh shit! I need to check on his.
Other Pokemon, Korea.
I remember I had mentioned how my last sunscreen wasn't really sunscreening, so and it had the white cast. So it was a Neutrogena, so I was like, I want one that's invisible, and you know the SUPERGOOP one is popular. I was like, okay, I don't want to pay $40 for it, so the dupe was the Krogers brand. It was the Krogers brand, and I don't have a Krogers too close to me. The Krogers is like, I don't drive highway, so the Krogers is like 25 to 30 minutes from me, and I'm gonna get it. So I tested it out yesterday. I'm gonna put it on today because today is a day for a walk, and the sun is actually coming out. I thought it wasn't coming out today. Let's see how it is. Also, some of the reviews them was like mixed, have a lot of good reviews, but then the bad ones were like it oily and stuff. I'm gonna believe that. It feels matte on my face because I have oily skin, you know, and it feels matte. It feels light. It feels like nothing ever on my face, which is good. I put it on now and still work with. And I'm shaking it up because one of the reviews, which was also a bad review, saying you're supposed to shake it up. I probably shouldn't. I probably don't even have to do that, but whatever. Sure, if you can see it, but it's nice and creamy. I'm looking at the mirror here. And the plus is that it's a moisturizer too, so I didn't put on a moisturizer. Even while spreading it, it doesn't feel, they're saying it's so heavy. It doesn't feel heavy to me at all. I'm trying to feel good for my skin. Now it does smell like sunscreen. I forget to do the eye test, come on, I'm gonna burn my eye when I'm outside. So this would be a good review because I'm gonna check to see if it will burn my eyes while I'm outside today. Because the Neutrogena will do that. Like if I have on the Neutrogena and it starts sweat, oh, golly. There's no say my eye them up above me. And my forehead needed the most. My forehead coming like, my forehead seems like it blocks my rest of the face from the sun because it ever get burnt. Honestly, I love how this feels. Like I really love how this feels on my face. It just, it feels good. Like it feels good to me. Ooh, this feels good on my face. So I'm gonna test it today on my website. Alright, and it's 4 ounce 40 SPF. It should be more. They should make it 50, but who's counting? I'm gonna try this and see. Put on your tights under it. This doesn't smell too bad, you know. It doesn't smell too bad at all. So today is part day. I think I had mentioned earlier. I still have on my SUPERGOOP dupe, my sunscreen, and we're about to head out now. But this time we have company. Should be fun though. I'm excited, and I think this day is gonna be more of them. Today's supposed to be my swimming day as well, but the kids are home, and I like to go swimming by myself and then take them after. I don't want to swim with them. So I have to figure it out. I might have to take them with me. I don't know. Okay, I have to take off, right? I think I started at 9:45, 9:50. It is now 10:30, so I did like, no, it's 10:40, so 10:40, 50 minutes of swimming today, which wasn't bad, so that's good. Now I would stay a little bit longer, but I have something to do soon, and I'm gonna have to rinse out my hair, and if I rinse out my hair, then you go take all of the stuff I take long. I'm gonna wash my hair and just rinse it out. And I'm gonna get that swim cap that I saw online, because I get tired of washing my hair now, because I'm going to swim tomorrow, so I can't even fully wash my hair because I swim tomorrow. So all of them I may get used to them. Put on my sunscreen and wash out my hair. This pool wasn't the pool of my choice, the one that I usually go to. But it was okay. I wasn't in here as long because the kids them they were, oh, it's 11:13 already. Shit. And I promised them to make them go ride, so I think I'm gonna have to do my meeting on the phone while they're riding and stuff and just listen to it. I'm gonna have to bring my headphones. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do, and just take them so that way by the time I come back in we can just do what we need to do. So it is finally the end of the week. We're still at the park again today. Still going to ride the park, but I finally got my apple cider vinegar. I noticed I haven't drank it in like a month or two, probably a month, and I'm more tired than usual. I'm more, yeah, just my energy is just not at the best. So I was like, let me go to Walmart and get some of my apple cider vinegar. I always get the one with citrus or with honey, and it's supposed to be 2 tablespoons, but I don't have a measuring thing right now, so I'm just gonna pour some in here. That should be 2 tablespoons, and I'm gonna eat it. Well, drink it while I walk with the kids or have them riding bicycle. Also because I'm kind of annoyed because I can't get to go swim because they're there, which I could take them to the pool with me and just have them sit, but when I can do that with AJ, I can't do that with Autumn because she's just gonna be all over the place. So they're just trying to. Did you get all the bikes out?
Yeah.
Oh, you did it all by yourself?
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, I was wondering if I should just go there and have them sit while I swim, but I don't know how that's gonna go. Alright, why are you climbing in? Did you leave Autumn back there?
No, I'm gonna go back out.
Okay.